Sales representative with Hikvision in the Los Angeles territory, and today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing video of Hikvision's body-worn camera. This unit records at 2 megapixels at 25 frames per second. It has a 12-hour battery life, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, a 10-meter IR range, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and microphone, and it is IP67 rated. The front button is the record button used to start or stop a recording. The top button will engage a Do Not Disturb mode, which will turn off all lights, vibrations, and sounds coming from the unit. The bottom button will flag footage so you can easily find it later. Holding it down can also turn on a small flashlight used for signaling or illumination. It charges via USB 1.0 cable. At the bottom, you can also see the power button. Also included in the box is a charging brick, USB 1.0 charging cable, and a clip. A magnetic clip is available and sold separately. Body cam footage can be uploaded to an NVR via Wi-Fi or uploaded to a custom docking system that can hold up to 32 body cams total. If you have any questions about this product, please reach out to your local Hikvision team. Thank you for your time.